Hey everyone, welcome back to Mac to iPhone. Today we are tackling a frustrating issues that many Mac users encounter, a freezing Mac. Stick around because we are going to dive deep into various troubleshooting methods to get your Mac running smoothly again. Let's start with a quick fix. Force quitting application. Press Command Option and Escape and select the frozen apps, then click Force Quit. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference. Sometimes insufficient disk space can be a culprit. Check your available disk space by clicking on the Apple logo about this Mac. Storage for Mac Big Sur and lower version. Apple logo, system settings, general and storage, and explore how to free up space and keep your Mac running smoothly. To free up Mac storage, delete unused files and uninstall unnecessary application, and consider transferring file to external storage or utilizing the cloud option. You can remove unused file from here also, like this. Remove logging items and background apps to minimize unnecessary CPU or memory usage. Sometimes it can make a big difference. System settings, general, login items. Select the process and click minus icon to remove startup logins. Also, you can turn off background app using from background. Keep your system up to date. Go to system settings, then general and software update, and install any available updates. This can fix known issues and improve overall performance. When in doubt, just restart. Click on Apple logo in the top left corner, then choose Restart. Use Disk utility to check and repair disk errors. Turn off your Mac and for Silicon Mac, power on and hold the power button until you see the startup option. Then startup option, then Disk utility, and select drive and click Trusted to fix the HD issue. If you get green, then it is okay. This is the basic step can often clear up temporary glitches and give your Mac fresh start. If you found a video if you found this video is helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content, and also hit the notification bell. If you have any question and additional tips, share them in comment below. Until the next time, happy troubleshooting. Take care. Bye bye.